motivation, it's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what's going on? What's popping? What it is, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a unboxing of a sneaker that was very high up on my must cop list for 2024 when I heard they were releasing these, and not because of the hype of the added stuff that they added to this sneaker, but just because today is my birthday, y'all. I turned 40, and I remember in 1996 when these joints dropped, and Deion Sanders, aka Prime Time, was my guy, one of my guys back then, because that was back when we liked the Cowboys. You feel what I'm saying? But before we get up into this content, man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. Since this is my birthday, that would be a great gift if we can hit that 10K mark. Share the video, like, comment, do all those great things. Turn on the notification bell. I would greatly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's hop off into this shoe. So shout out to Sole Premise, man. If y'all ain't messing with them, I'll put that link down in the description section. Dope bags. This is an orange one. Very glad I don't travel anywhere without my Sole Premise bags. So make sure y'all tap into them. Link is down in my description section. And this is the box that the shoes, the Diamond Turfs, came in. We have a standard Nike box, the Just Do It, the OG box. And this is the label, Air Max Diamond Turf, Air Max 96 black white varsity maze. This is size 11.5. Size 12 would have fit also, because these do fit pretty snug, and I'll show you guys because they got the little booty in them. But I will show. Open up the box. You have the paper, no quality control stickers, anything like that. A little bit of font on the side, but that's it. And that is the box. Oh yeah, back side of the box. Of course, we have that writing right there. But yeah. So this is the sneaker, y'all. Here we have the Diamond Turf. This is the Diamond Turf 3. There were 2 more versions prior to this one. And for those of you that don't know, Deion Sanders is probably considered one of the greatest athletes of all time. He did play, I want to say it was 9 years in the MLB, played for the Yankees, the Braves, Cincinnati Reds. So, he was more than football, but everything that he did, he was prime time. Y'all see that right now at Colorado. He is instilling a lot of great values in the youth and stuff like that. So shout out to Deion Sanders. And this one, they did it right because they added a little bit different in 2024. But we have the Diamond Turf 3 right here. As you guys can see, that nostalgia pattern on the side of it, just super bulky sneaker. This came out in 96 originally, and this sneaker was a part of that wave where all the sneakers were bulky. The Air More Up Tempos, the Charles Barkleys, kind of like that dinosaur type vibes when it came to a bigger sneaker, and that's what Nike was going for back then. So this fit right along. So as you go across the front end of the sneaker, we do have that strap right there with the Nike check. We have the field goal post and the home plate right there on the front end of the sneaker. And then along the side, we do have that gold Nike swoosh. And along these lines here, you have the hints of the yellow. On the back end, because this is a Air Max, we do have the Air Max bubble on that booty, all big and nice. We have the Air written out right there. And on the inner side of the sneaker, it is the exact same thing as you guys can see right there, just the gold Nike swoosh. Said they did add something a little bit different as we look at the bottom of the sneaker. This is what the sneaker looks like, but they did add this face right here. As you guys can see right here, we have the Deion Sanders Prime Time with the signature hoop earring and the bandana, the young Deion Sanders right there on the bottom of the sneaker. So this is going to be different than all the other pairs that have released prior. So that was a nice addition to it. I thought they had Prime somewhere on them, but maybe that was a different pair. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But this is what the sneaker looks like. Super clean. Like I said, this is more for a must-have for me because of nostalgia purposes. I will be wearing it. It's not a collector piece, but I will be wearing this on feet for you guys, and I'm going to be doing on foot. Let me show you guys the insoles real quick. All right, so this is the insole. You see right here, it says Diamond Turf. You have the football in the baseball right there. Nothing major about that, just a simple thin insole. And then they do come with just this paper insert, not your cardboard inserts, anything like that. Insole right here is pretty thick. And I was telling you guys that I feel like that you can go a size up because they do fit kind of snug. You can go true to size, but they're gonna fit kind of snug. But I would say go half a size up on these, in my opinion, just because they do fit better. But as I've said before in my prior videos, I do like my shoe to fit a lot looser than tight. You feel what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and unstrap these. So this is what it looks like unstrapped. There's nothing behind the strap. I just wanted to make sure it was not like Prime or anything written in there. But yeah, so this is the sneaker overall, a very clean sneaker. I feel like it's gonna be one of those shoes where you're just gonna want this sneaker. After the hype and stuff died down, I do feel like you'll be able to get them at a reasonable price. For a moment there, Nike did what they always do, dropping them here and there, and it was just hard to get them. But if you walk into like your DTLRs, Jimmy Jazzes, and stuff like that, even Finish Line, JD Sports, you might actually see some of these sitting on the shelf. They are restocking them constantly. So this is how I got this one, was from a restock off of Snipe. So, and they sat on there for a little while. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. I'm going to hit you guys with that on feet real quick. This is the 1996 Deion Sanders Diamond Turf, man. Air Max Diamond Turf 2024 version for you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Enjoy this on feet. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Gone.
If you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got you, never